Have you ever looked at a super long article and thought, I wish I could understand this faster? Well, today is your lucky day. We are going to learn a neat way to quickly understand long text. Summarization. Imagine you find an awesome article online, but it's super long. You have got homework and other stuff to read too. How cool would it be if you could understand the main ideas without reading every word? That's what summarization does. It's like turning a big book into a short story. Before we start, you need to choose a text. It's like picking a book to draft a report about. Make sure it has lots of information because we are going to make it shorter. Got your text? Great. Now you'll want to select all of it. Start from the very first word and drag your mouse all the way to the end. Make sure you get every bit. Now go to ChatGPT. This is where the fun begins. You are going to tell the AI what you want. For example, if you want a summary in 5 sentences, you would say, summarize this article in 5 sentences in a list. Then paste your text and wait for the magic. In just a moment, ChatGPT will give you a shorter version of the article. It's like seeing the whole story from the sky, just the important parts. Sometimes an article might be too big for ChatGPT. If that happens, don't worry. Just split the text into smaller parts and ask ChatGPT to summarize each one. Then put those short summaries together and you have got a full overview. In today's world, everyone in a hurry. Being able to understand lots of information quickly is super helpful. Using summaries, especially with ChatGPT, makes life easier. So, give it a shot. Once you get the hang of it, you will be amazed at how much time you save. Keep it up and happy summarizing.